Just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We are not in Utah no more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York City. We're on the Festival Del Toro rally. We got 57 Lamborghinis. It is like 1,000 degrees here in the city. We got the pink roadster we shipped all the way from Salt Lake City. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know where we're going. We're back. Now, before you guys get all technical, blah, blah, we're in New Jersey. We're at the high point in New Jersey. We're like 700 feet. I can barely breathe up here. Okay, obviously that was annoying. Yeah, we got the Rosa Cantus all the way from Utah. I thought this paint was incredible. Check out this SVJ. Like, that's legit glitter in the paint. This car is unreal. Probably the highest spec SVJ in the entire world, full custom interior. So yeah, we got 57 Lamborghinis. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. I hear Mexico is just right over there. All the colors in today's video are next level. We got blue Cephas right here. We got another SVJ, another SVJ. We have a Viola Parsippany Ultimate right there. And all those straight pipe, they're all definitely we got I have never filmed a clip quite like that in my entire life. They were revving forever.
They do things different.
Yes, they do things a lot different in Jersey. Oh, you know us. We're just kind of sort of chilling, doing our thing. Luke, look innocent. It doesn't look innocent.
I didn't do it! I swear it wasn't to me!
Don't point at me. Don't call me out. Oh, no, that's not for us. Oh, geez. No, bro, no.
Oh, no. Hold on.
I don't know how this happened exactly, but somehow we ended up right behind the blue Cephas SVJ that already blew out my eardrums, and he is continuing. That is the loudest. Oh my gosh. We got flames, boys. We got flames today. What? The color on this Urus is absolutely sensational. That's a Roncio Borealis. It's the same color as my Gallardo. It looks so good. You never know what you're gonna see at the dealership. Check out that Porsche Safari right there. And we have a gold Aventador SVJ. I'm sorry, Luke. It's a big car, okay? There's $1 million SVJ right next to me. I need your help, your assistance. Look what we're parking next to, though. That's a GT3.
Yeah, we're buying it.
No. You just never know what you're gonna see at Lamborghini Perez. Bro, we don't got time for that. We got places to be, we got people to see. But I gotta give a massive shout out to Festival Del Toro. What an absolutely incredible experience. Massive shout out to Lamborghini Paramus, to Alan, to Anthony. Like, the Jersey boys treated us with such hospitality. Festival Del Toro, we had 57 Lamborghinis.
Jersey boys go hard.
Yes, they do.
Hard.
We're coming back sooner than you think, but we got somewhere to go. I think the coolest thing about this car, the perspective we're gonna get today in New York City, starting off driving directly under the George Washington Bridge. And look at those views. That is so crazy. The last time we were here, we were in a Maybach long delay. I never imagined we'd be in the Aventador Roadster. So sick. Look at that. What? And on cue, absolutely immediately, ladies and gentlemen, first off, welcome to Manhattan. We are overheating. Okay. So we just turned the heat all the way up. Temperature gauge is starting to drop. We're getting a little bit of airflow. The last thing we need is this car to die on us in Manhattan in Times Square. That's a bad day. Today is a beautiful day. It's also a very hot day. Okay, temperature's going down. We're good, bro. We're fine.
If it doesn't
Luke
go
is
down,
freaking out.
then
We're
we're gonna
fine.
be walking here.
Bro, we're overheating right now. We're done for. Yeah, already. Already. The Avenger already is overheating.
The Lambo can't take the New York heat.
No, it can't.
Too hot.
No, it can't. Oh no, come on, baby. We got the heat turned all the way up too. Oh great. You see, I knew bringing the Avenger was a bad idea. We're in New York City though. How sick is this? Look at these views though, bro. You look majestic.
It's so
Are you
hot.
kidding? Yeah, you're sweaty, but you look good, bro. You wear it well.
Wow.
Oh, spinners. Bro,
What?
we need spinners. That's what we need. Welcome back to 2004 with the Escalade on spinners. That is dope. We're good. Temperature gauge is down. We're sitting pretty. We're fine. Luke is drenched in sweat right now. And now the chaos ensues. There are so many people in New York City. What's up, dude? I'm gonna overheat. So low. Thank you so much. Your shirt is beautiful. Let's paint a sample. Dude, the ladies. The ladies. The older ladies. This guy, Luke Terry, he's a nice guy. He's a good guy. He's a great guy. But the problem with Luke Terry that he's never done for me, he's never put a billboard in Times Square telling them to date me. Shaw, look at that. Date our friend. Shaw is always cheering others on. Now we are cheering her on. That would be nice if you cheered me on.
Now. I got a good idea.
How crazy is this, guys? Imagine 2 years ago, this car was in downtown Chicago. It reared a police car at 4 a.m. Fast forward, the car was repaired. I bought the car. We did the wide body kit. We painted it Rosa Cantus. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Times Square in New York City. Absolute chaos. Now, as you can see, the car gets a slight amount of tension right now. I'm trying to go for it. Everyone's hot. I can't go. I'm trying to go. See you guys. Woo! Let's freaking go. This is so crazy. What? Okay, hi. You look beautiful. Let's go. Okay. I thought Vegas and the Veyron was crazy. This is insane. Wow. Hi. We were having so much fun, and now all of a sudden we're starting to overheat yet again. The car's getting so much. Look at all the people.
Do it anyway.
It's
Do it
absolutely
anyway.
crazy.
Do it
No,
anyway.
I can't.
Do it. I'll do it for
Bro,
you.
it's gonna catch
You're
on
good.
fire. Okay. Well, we're gonna catch on fire now, Luke. Great. Look what you did.
I'm sorry.
So off camera, I'm just like, man, the ladies just love me right now. He's like, it's a car.
They love the beard. It's the beard.
It's the beard? Dude, the beard's all sweaty and disgusting. It's so humid right now. It sounds so good though. It's echoing off the buildings, but we are overheating, so we're gonna continue on before, I guess it's Times Square. You can do whatever you want, right? Kind of, sort of, a little bit. There are so many people. This is absurd. I feel very, very, very uncomfortable. We gotta get this baby some airflow. You know what that means? Go. It sounds so good here in the city. All right, not too much, not too crazy. We keep trying to turn the AC off, and it turns back on. It's broken. Come on, no. See, the car's trying to kill itself right now. Okay, temperature gauge. Yeah, look, it's climbing. It's climbing. And
Put
the
me
AC,
out of my mercy.
turn off. Seriously, are you kidding me? Like, really, Lamborghini? What is going on?
Turn this up.
I can feel cold air right now as the car's over. Lovely, lovely. We're trying to turn it up above 78. You guys saw it was on 84. It won't go any higher than 78. The AC button is turning on. The car is overheating. This is like, and okay, wow. And we need the front end lift up. Goodness, this was a bad idea. Now, of course, the problem is, you guys remember when my Aventador Coupe overheated in the past, when you turn the car off and let it cool down, it won't turn on. It goes into ALM mode, where it won't turn on for like 3 or 4 hours, so we cannot shut this car off under any circumstances whatsoever, unless, of course, it like starts on fire. Luke is trying to figure out the secret code, and it doesn't seem to be working. We have AC, we're over, this is just, and we are sweating profusely. Like, the humidity, it's like 98% humidity. It's 99 degrees, the hottest day of the entire year, and we're in the Aventador Roadster with white interior, and our sweat is going everywhere. So, yeah, perfect day. We now have the red temperature gauge right there. We really, really need to get some airflow. Like I said, if we shut this car off though, it's not turning on for like 2 or 3 hours. Times Square, New York City is gonna kill the Aventador. Yeah, bring the car to New York City, they said. Luke said. It was his idea.
No,
This was Luke's idea.
No, it's not.
I don't know, performance limited. We now have performance limited, lovely. The views here are just so sick. We got the Empire State Building there in the background. Everywhere we go in New York City, there's traffic. So we just discovered that Lamborghini, it actually automatically engages the air conditioning because why?
It's cooling the fuel tank down somehow.
Which makes sense, and we want that to happen at the same time, we're kind of sort of in a tough spot. We probably should turn the car off, chill for 3 hours, eat pizza, and call it a day. I can smell oil too. Can you smell the oil?
It smells like gas.
Yeah, that's really bad. We got green lights as far as the eye can see. Come on, baby, cool down. We're gonna need a lot of that fresh air off the Atlantic Ocean. Come on. No, really, Adventurer, you're popping like crazy? Just, oh, we're going down. Yeah. We're back, baby. We're back. Yeah. All we needed was a little airflow. Come on. Oh, yes. Maybe we can turn the AC off. Look at that! No! That is so sick though. Look at these! Like, New York City is like the coolest city in the world. The skyscrapers here are next level. Well, we think we found a parking spot. We've decided we're gonna shut the car off, which means it might not turn on for another 3 hours. Do we do it?
I don't want to do it.
I don't even know if we can legally park here. This car gets so much attention literally every single where we go. I don't even, okay. Hop in the block? Can we turn this, oh, what's up, man? I don't know who these people are. What is going on? What's up? It's called TheStradman, dude. TheStradman, yeah. Yo, my guy.
I'm a subscriber.
Thanks, dude. So Alan has told us this is a spot. We are safe to turn the car off.
I'm thinking you're safe.
Okay. Oh, if Alan says.
You did it. You did it.
It's kind of a huge sigh of relief though, because the car is not on fire. It is turned off. Now we let it cool off for maybe an hour, maybe two, maybe we might be here all night, honestly. The problem is, we don't have a hard top, we have no way to lock the car, so we're gonna be here for a bit. Just a word of wisdom, if you got a Lamborghini Aventador, don't drive it to New York City. Don't do it. I know you want to. It sounds good. It looks incredible. Do not do it. We have the engine bay up. Most likely we're illegally parked, and maybe the car will turn back on, maybe it won't. It looks sensational though. It's just one of those nights in New York City. Shmi 150.
How you doing?
What are you doing here?
Why not?
You came to save the day.
I can't. I'm not sure I can.
It's an event where you know how to fix these things, right? Okay, let's have a look. That's what I like. The moment of truth. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. One take wonder, baby. And in only a New York City style fashion, we're entering the biggest tunnel, the best tunnel, and there's traffic. Are you kidding me? Bro, that's so sick. Why is there traffic? That's first gear pull to like 8,000 next to a bus. So good. I don't really know exactly what this means, but my TPMS light is randomly flashing all of a sudden. I don't know if that means I have a flat tire, and of course the rally is just about to begin, so the timing is actually perfection. I'm being sarcastic, obviously. Give me good news, Luke. Anything?
Look good.
We're good?
Yeah, I mean, oh, hi. It looks good.
It looks good. All right, there's the energy we know and love, Luke. Yeah, you better buckle up,
but
bro.
I'm putting this on.
Now we're in last place, and wow, okay, we have no idea where we're going. Lovely.